Hi guys, so let's unbox my Moza Mini MX foldable smartphone gimbal. So Moza Mini MX is a 3-axis motorized gimbal. It has portrait and landscape modes. It has a 340 degrees pan, 140 degrees tilt, and a 300 degrees roll motion. It is also both compatible for iOS and Android apps with editing features, and it also has time-lapse, vertigo, and inception functions. The gimbal has 20-hour battery runtime, and it also has a mini tripod included, as well as this cute pouch. And here it is, the Moza Mini MX foldable smartphone gimbal.